next part of the page. All right. Underline the complete predicate of each sentence. So this one is the same activity as up here. I would like you to focus this time on the predicate. Last time, it's okay if you only did the subject. This time, I want you to focus on the predicate. So let's do the predicate first this time. In number 5, in one fable, a young boy finds a special bean. In one fable, a young boy finds a special bean. I'm going to underline the predicate twice. I'm going to take the time to think of what I think is the subject first. Let's see. I think that what the boy is doing is finding a special bean. So that's my predicate, because that's what he's doing. So I'm going to underline that twice. This time you don't have to underline the subject, that is fine. Especially because this comma here might make it kind of confusing. Number 6. A princess finds a prince. What do I think is happening in this sentence? I think she's finding a prince, so I'm going to underline that twice. And if you are looking for the subject, you can split these in half. The subject is who the sentence is about. It's about the princess. What she's doing is finding a prince. Number 7. I'm going to let you do number 7 by yourself. A king learned something important. Number 7. A king learned something important. So go ahead and underline the predicate. So what is happening in the sentence? Not who, but what is happening. Number 8, when you're ready. Don't forget to pause the video as we're going along. Number 8. You wrote a clever fable. You wrote a clever fable. Go ahead and underline what you think is happening in the sentence. The predicate is what you think is happening. And underline that twice. Okay, when you're ready, we'll move on. Again, pause the video when you need to. Down here, we're going to add a predicate or a subject to make a complete sentence. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks in your sentences. So use a subject, who the sentence is talking about, and a predicate, what that person or thing is doing. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks. Here they gave me the sentence. A kind merchant in a fable. Let's see. I need to make this a sentence, so it needs to have a capital letter, which it does. Oops, I made a cursive A. Let's see. I think I should make this in print for you guys. A kind merchant in a fable. Now what do I need at the end? That's right, I need punctuation. Does this look like the correct punctuation mark? No. A kind merchant in a fable. Actually, there's more to it, because the kind merchant in the fable is only the subject. The sentence is not telling us what he's doing. That's your guys' job. So let's see, what is the merchant doing? He could be counting coins in a marketplace. He could be selling nice clothing. He could be selling a genie lamp, or he could be selling spices. What would you like to write down for your sentence? You can write down whatever you'd like, and then at the end of what you write down, you're going to need to include the punctuation. The punctuation in this case would be probably a period, but it depends on what you're writing down. If you were writing something incredible, you might want to include an exclamation mark to say how exciting it is that he's selling a panda or a T-Rex. Let's see. Also, remember to use your best penmanship. Retold fables many times. What's missing in this sentence? Retold fables many times. It's telling me what someone or something is doing, but it's not telling me who the sentence is about. So I need to figure out who is the sentence about. I'm gonna say Diana retold fables many times to William and Harry. Oops, capital letter. And then I'm going to put my punctuation at the end. You guys can write whatever you like. You can also do a sentence similar to mine, as long as you did this one by yourself. Okay.